my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And I know I am again late in publishing video, but as you people know that good content needs time. I'm taking my time and I'm back with an affordable jewelry haul. I know I am doing back-to-back jewelry hauls because Diwali is coming and I'm more into jewelries right now. This time I have purchased some beautiful jewelries that are similar to the German silver, but the way more affordable and cheaper than them. And these beauties, these jewelries are so lovely in finishing. They look so rich, they look so luxurious, and I think this much is enough to define the finishing and define the quality of the jewelries. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. And let me tell you, the earrings that I'm wearing right now is also from the same Instagram stores, and I think it's under 150 rupees, 125 or 150 rupees, and so beautiful. As you people know that the doll earrings are very trending right now in German silver, but I bought it in the oxidized one, and the finishing is so pretty. The polish is silver polish, and it looks like the German silver, but it's way more lighter than that, and I really love it. It's so simple, and you can wear it on casual days. So the name of the Instagram store from where I have bought these jewelries is Creative Zeal by Sapna. Hi Sapna, hope you like this video. And they have a lot of collection in oxidized jewelries like chokers, anklets, bangles, and a lot more new designs. They are really very creative in designing because they are themselves manufacturer and wholesaler. So in case if you are a wholesaler or reseller, you can also contact them. And if you want chokers and other jewelry material, you can also check out their page. I will give the a link in the description box. I was more into earrings, so I bought only earrings for myself. Guys, I have created the whole lookbook with these earrings, and I hope you will appreciate my efforts. And let's move straight to the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.